It's of a famous highwayman, a story I mun tell. His name was Wally Brennan, in Ireland he did dwell. It was on the lofty mountains where he commenced his wild career, where many's a noble gentleman before him shook a fear. Brennan on the moor, Brennan on the moor, Boulder and Danton stood Brennan on the moor. Brennan met a packman whose name was Peddler Brown. They walked it on together till the day began to dawn, till he robbed him of his money, also his watch and chain. But he once encountered Brennan when he robbed them back again. Brennan on the moor, Brennan on the moor, Boulder and Danton stood Brennan on the moor. He held up the mayor of London till he robbed him of his gold, and with their horse and saddle to the mountains they did fly, for infantry and cavalry to catch them they did try. But he lay amongst the ferns that was thick upon the field. 9 bullet wounds he did receive before he would yield. Brennan on the moor, Brennan on the moor, Boulder and Danton stood Brennan on the moor. Here's to my dear wife, and likewise my bairnies 3. It's here's to my old father, who shed many's a tear for me. But here's to my old mother, who tore her grey locks and cried. Why wish young Wally Brennan your cradle babe had died? Brennan on the moor, Brennan on the moor, Boulder and Danton stood Brennan on